Your health and immune system are more important than ever. That's why we created CheckYourFood.com, the only food diary that tracks all nutrients. Why should you care? Because your body needs specific amounts of nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals to stay healthy now and in the future. But many of us are nutrient poor and will get diseases preventable with proper nutrition, like heart disease, diabetes, and some forms of cancer. So how do you get enough nutrients to be healthy? That's where Check Your Food can help. We will show you what nutrients an ingredient or recipe has, how eating it will contribute to your recommended daily amount, and what the nutrient will do for your body. With our food diary and recipe analyzer, Check Your Food is here to empower you to eat right, now and in the future. So, be nutrient rich and protect your health. Visit www.checkyourfood.com today.